Bull and welcome back to Jejemon. I hope you're enjoying the show tonight. If you're just joining us on this segment, great to have your company. Now, the Bottega Fijian Fashion Festival hosted an industry cocktail to announce some of the exciting plans for the festival this year. The shows will take place from June 6th to the 9th at the Grand Pacific Hotel here in Suva, and from the cocktail, here's some of the fashion that stood out on the evening. Check it out. Welcome to the Bottega Fijian Fashion Festival Designer and Industry Cocktail Launch that's happening right now at Shenanigans here in the heart of Suva. And with me is a very stylish person who does not need any introduction at all. In fact, he's the chairman of the Fashion Council of Fiji as well as the Fijian Fashion Festival, Faraz Ali. Faraz, welcome to Jejemon.
Thank you very much, Andy. Thank you for supporting us, for being here tonight.
Of course. Now, I noticed that you are one of the best dressed person in the room next to what I'm wearing, pretty bland. Tell me,
black.
tell me about your outfit. What are you wearing this evening?
Well, I'm wearing something pretty basic tonight. I'm wearing a Zara t-shirt, I'm wearing Gilio pants, and I'm wearing Christian Louboutin shoes.
Now, how important is tonight? Can you talk to us a little bit about what's happening here with the industry?
Yeah, sure. It's really important for us to involve industry in everything that we do, because we like everything to be sort of like a consultative process. So tonight, essentially, we present our plans. So we have very big plans for the Fijian Fashion Festival this year, and we'd like to tell people exactly what that is, how they're going to be involved, and also invite feedback.
Now, just a flashback to last year, because we were also here. I think it was around the same time last year, and this the event last year where you made the announcement of the designers that will be showing at the festival this year. Is this something that you'll be doing tonight as well?
Yes, we will be. So our slots are almost completely full, but we always keep a few just in case. I mean, sometimes there's designers who've just graduated to the next level and are able to show, because the festival is our first sort of aspirational platform. So like, you come to us when you're ready to show. We don't chase designers to show. We ask designers to be ready in their design journey, and to be sort of in a place where they're wanting to connect with their market. So tonight we are definitely announcing some of our sort of legendary favorites. Samson Lee, for example, Aza, Zubair Fiji, 8 Mountains. So these are some of the people who will be showing Hapfil Herd, Aisa, Conrote. And they're doing individual shows, which is also very, very exciting. So yeah, we'll definitely be doing that tonight, and also opening up to, I think we have 3 slots left.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Faraz. Good luck for tonight, and like everyone else, we're crossing our fingers for a very exciting Bottega Fijian Fashion Festival.
Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the night too.